All right, good morning, tractor fans. This is Nick from Creel Tractor in Fort Myers, Florida. Today we're looking at an M108 Kubota. It's a 2013 pre-DEF, pre-DPF, none of the emissions crap tractor. Has about 4,200 hours on it. Plenty of rear remotes for you. Currently hooked up to a baler. We also have the baler for sale if you're interested. Loader, bale spear. Was used by a hay guy. Good tires, good overall condition, no codes. Pass the phone over to John here and let him video the interior. Again, it's a 2013 Kubota M108 tractor and loader. We're here at Creel Tractor Company in Fort Myers, Florida on Palm Beach Boulevard. Come and see us.